Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming at you with a box break of 2000, I believe this is 2013, Press Pass Ignite. You're guaranteed one autograph. This is one autographed relic card and one race-used relic card inside. Okay, so we're going to split this into two breaks. So this will be part one of the break of Press Pass Ignite. Oh, sorry, this is 2012. I thought it was 2013. It's 2012, actually. So, keep this going here in the background. 2012. So let's make sure. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 there. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our two videos. So do that part first. And like always, I do apologize if I mispronounce anybody's name. We have David Dragon top speed, David Dragon top speed, Johnson top speed, Jimmy Johnson top speed, Alex Sadler, Decoy, and Barry Kozlowski, and Kurt Busch. Travis Strana, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., a profile card, a profile card of Stenhouse Jr., Decoy, A.J. Allmendinger, and Martin Truex Jr. So we have Trevor top speed, Trevor Baines top speed, Junior top speed, Stenhouse Jr. top speed, London Castle, Matt Kenseth, and Marcus Ambrose. That's 4. Cole Witt, Harvick, we have a Warrior, Mark, a Decoy, Denny Hamlin, and A.J. Allmendinger. Pack 5, we have a Matt Kenseth, a top speed, Trevor Bayne, Jeff Burton, wow, a Matt Kenseth, a autograph, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool race to use for his fifth level with his autograph. That's pretty cool. I like that. Pretty cool. Carl Edwards and Joanna Long. We've got Austin Dillon, a Martin Truex Jr. top speed, a Casey Mears, Decoy, a John Wise, and a Dale Jr. top speed. We've got Carl Edwards, Tony Stewart, top speed, Danica Patrick, Ty Dillon, and a Joey Logano. We have Greg Biffle top speed, Brad Keselowski top speed, a Dale Earnhardt Jr. Steel Horses, Mark Martin, and Paul Menard. Pack number 9 from part 1. We've got Jimmy Johnson top speed. We've got Elliott Sadler, Clint Bowyer, Decoy. We've got Jeff Gordon, and we've got Joey Logano. Our last pack for part 1. We've got Kevin Harvick. We've got David Ragan, top speed. A Dale Inman, class of 2012 insert. It's a continuous Hall of Fame set that they have gone. We've got Tony Stewart and David Garland. Although we have for part 1 of our 2-part box break of Press Pass Ignite from 2012. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.